MobyMax's Numbers module helps students develop a deep understanding of foundational number skills, such as counting, composing and decomposing numbers, place value, and basic addition and subtraction. Students can access the Numbers module by clicking the Numbers button on their home screen. The Numbers module is divided into 6 mini-modules that start with basic number sense and counting, and progress to basic addition and subtraction skills. Each lesson within the Numbers module uses interactive touch manipulatives to increase engagement and allow students to interact with numbers to promote deeper understanding. The Numbers module ends by teaching students how to use an abacus to quickly add and subtract. As your students progress through the Numbers module, you can monitor their progress in your teacher account by clicking on the Differentiated Learning button on the MobyMax Central home screen and then selecting the Numbers module from the Adaptive Math section. On the Snapshot tab, you'll get an overview of your students' progress, including how much time they spent during their last session, the number of problems they answered, and the current module they're working on. You can also click on a student's name to get a more detailed view of their progress. The Session Tally tab allows you to view data over a custom time period, and the Class View allows you to see which students have completed each lesson in the Numbers module. MobyMax's Numbers module gives students the strong foundation they need to be successful in math.